target power trigger trade.
All right, here's a plan that I posted inside of Power Group Trades. Now, the thing was, I did explain to some people about it, and I want to show you this unique story here. But this is a plan. I've been posting several plans, starting on Power Trigger Trade for Amazon. So let me click over here. So here it is. Amazon set up the test 1700 to 1800. So this is the big picture, right? Now, of course, we are pretty close to this number right now, okay? But I want to show you some of what I've also posted, the coaching that I posted inside of Power Group Trade. So pay attention. You can see here that these 1650 calls, the January 11, 1650 calls, at the time of this close, they cost right over here $780. Of course, that's not what we paid for them, okay? But I want to show you something because they cost $780, okay? And you can see this is January the 4th, okay? Now, this is what we paid for it because there was not everybody got into this one, but when I did post the confirmation, people could have got into these as well. I've posted a lot of plans on Amazon. It's a big focus. So, anyways, let me show you here. So, right, you can see here. And again, Tesla was another great one. You can see here we make great gains in the Tesla confirmation here. But here, Amazon confirming with the January 11, 1650 calls at 1150. This is what they cost. Now you saw they closed because on January 7 was the opening day, right? So we had to pay almost 100% more for those options from the close, okay? But that doesn't matter. That's what the confirmation was of the plan, right? So we're going to go back to the plan here. And Amazon, so it opened higher than this. So we had to pay up for that price because we broke $15.95. You see the close here was $15.75, okay? So, all right, so here I'm talking about Amazon. Amazon is a hold, people. Put stops at 15 from here for your runners, okay? Because Amazon, those options went as high as $2,200, $2,300, right? But I told people we should hold, so I put stops in place, okay? So we are holding. We held true to today, which is January the 8th, okay? So let me go up here. What I'm saying. So Amazon looks good to test 1650 today. Stops should be 7. So I made a lot of updates in this, okay? So here it is. Amazon, it's better to keep it at 15, the key. So we held these, but this is the key. The key is that we held these, okay? A lot of people, and we happen to sell them today. I'm going to show you this over here. So let me go up here. Give me a second here. So here it is. I wanted to make more money. That says Amazon stopped out at 3. So Amazon, take profits on some of your Amazon calls or put a stop at 3,500. So what happened was that when Amazon opened up, the options were in the $4,100 area. So we gained greater than 250% gains on this stop though, but they were even higher, greater than 300% gains. But I got stopped out of Amazon for $3,500 per option. So 1150 turned to 3,500 with skill holding for the big picture. Okay, not little scalper mentality. Understand, people? This is what I'm getting at, and we caught these great gains, and there's going to be a lot more gains because when you have a big picture mentality, you make a lot of gains. Let me show you what I mean here. So you can see here. So this is January the 8th, okay, 9:58 a.m. Now the options had gone lower than this, but you can see that the options, because this was a little bit delayed, but you can see these options, the 1650 option. See the January 11 right over here, right? And the 1650 options, they were 4,200 a piece. Okay, that's the high of the day. Okay, for those options. Okay, so. We did not catch this number because I wanted to hold for more gains, but I have another plan in the group. But here's the documentation, though, that we saw that I did not catch these gains because we got stopped out at $3,500 per option. But 1,150 to 3,500, those are great gains, right? That's greater than 250% gains in options, in large priced options with skill and determination. All right, people, welcome to Power Trigger Trade Confirmation is Key. This is my Twitter. So, you should become a follower on this, and you want to get inside of Power Group Trades, okay? And this video here, this pin tweet video, explains how to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. Give me a second over here. Customization. So this is Power Target Trades. What you want to do, people, is study this created playlist. A lot of great winning plans like you're seeing here. This was a little bit strange what happened with the post, but that was a plan, and anybody like got the confirmation. The Amazon did give you an opportunity to get in. There were people that I did explain my bullishness for Amazon, but that Tesla, the Amazon trade was the Amazon plan was not posted in time, but the confirmation was written. So somebody says, okay, he's confirming with those calls. By the time, and if they were focusing on Amazon, like I was, of course, and you could see what the options cost. So we paid $11.50, and you saw the outcome today. And in fact, the options closed. Let's go take a look here quickly. Here, give me a second here. So you can see here. For the 8th, this is the closing price, okay, because the Amazon closed here on the 8th, but the closing price was $2,800, right? So yesterday those options were fluctuating around $1,600, $1,700, $1,800, and I recommended that we held them because it didn't validate the stop. And then it opened up, as you saw this morning. You could have sold in the 4,200 area, but I had my stops at $3,500, okay, per option. Regardless, this is what I call skill, all right, and great example and a great lesson. Anyways, people, make sure to subscribe to this. I do live streams, a lot of great videos to study. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also you can check out my website over here, and subscribe to the website when I do send information. If you're serious about success, you want to do everything that I'm explaining, basically. So subscribe. Let's see what. Well, like I said, subscribe. You're going to see a picture of me in the video in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. I'm going to be giving you an outro now. Let's see what I say.
Power Target Trades. Power Trigger Trade.